recipes call for just half a can of coconut cream, but if you've got some left over, don't throw it out. It makes the best dipping sauce for spring rolls, or my absolute favourite, crumbed prawns. So into a bowl, I've got some good old peanut butter, I prefer crunchy, along with some leftover coconut cream if you've got it, or just any coconut cream. I want the coconut cream in this because it makes it really lush and creamy. So about 4 tablespoons. Just break that up into our peanut butter and some light soy sauce, a good splash of that. And for some sweetness and a little heat, some sweet chili sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Now this will be quite thick, so I always have a little hot water on standby. We'll add a splash of that and give that a mix until it's the perfect saucy consistency. That is just right. We'll pop that into a serving bowl, drizzle that in, and I had some leftover lemongrass, so I'll sprinkle that over the top. That, served with a chilled beverage, is the ultimate way to start the weekend.